If you're an F1 fan, then you may know who Lando Norris is. If not, then it may not even be important. I did a white because this is a different type of inlay. I did a white. Then at 50%, I changed DJ switch style to the gray silver. And then at 70%, I switched back to the white because you could see that it was starting to build over the infill. And that's a trick to using no AMS, just multiple colors, to do multiple color prints like this. It's going to finish up in just a moment. We're going to run over 60 seconds. We're at 98%. It usually finishes at 99. There's a little bit of issue with that area in the right. Come on. %. What do you think?